Hi guys, and welcome back to the Gigi Naturals Homestead channel. So today has just been like perfect windbreaker type of weather, and so I am out in the back and I want to show you guys how I go about building this simple, really simple, no dig garden bed. So if you want to see how I do this, just stay tuned, and you know what I'm about to say. Let's go, ladies. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do, and it's really important, is to make sure that your lines are straight. Wherever you decide to put these corners, they need to be straight. So this side needs to be flush so that there's not any bowing at the bottom, because you want your screws to go straight in, and you want everything to nicely line up on the opposite side. So you have to make sure that everything all the way down the side is straight, okay? And so you want to take your drill and you're gonna have to push a little bit on the drill, okay? So that it can go through this 2-foot piece and into the longer piece. So you gotta push a little bit, but let's go. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so it got a little bit wiggly for a second, but it went straight into the hole. And so now all you're gonna do is push your trigger again and then pull away from you so that you can pull out. As you can see, I broke the drill bit. Let's get another one. That was like the perfect size. Oh my gosh, that was the perfect size. So, but this one is the next size up, and wow, I can't believe that broke. I did the first one and everything was fine. So I broke the drill bit, but I drilled new holes. And so let's get it into the other piece of wood. Okay, and it got started. And now the bottom one. And so the final step is to use this tool to open this part so that you can fit your smaller piece in that's going to screw in your screws, okay? Oops, just trying to go down in there. So sit it there, tighten it. same on the other side. Okay, so that took about 15 minutes per box, and I think they turned out pretty nice. I hope this was helpful to someone. So I have a plan to go further out this way with more planter boxes, and so I would love to hear your thoughts on these boxes, your comments, and absolutely your questions, any questions that you may have. So for those who have not subscribed, please do so, and like, comment. I will see you guys on the next video.